4 stories. The good musician went on an excursion to a train station. It was his mission to have a music competition. The musician did not live in a mansion. He wanted a few donations. The bad politician had a vision and made a decision.
It's not funny.
He made a conclusion that animation cartoons on television were bad.
Okay, that's it. I've had enough.
I want a revision of this television. Animation has no imagination.
Oh, ha 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 ha.
The helpful optician on an action mission to help people.
How are you? How are you?
A woman with bad vision asked, "What does this caption say?" It says, "Caution! The mansion was under revision." The smart technician went to the mansion to make a revision. His mission was to update the television to a new version. But all this action was not a fraction of what the magician did.